What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you are fine. So, now our topic is how to add and manage post on your website through WordPress. So, let's get started. So, this is my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Make sure your Apache server and MySQL both are running. Okay. If you guys are planning to purchase domain name or web hosting service, I would recommend you domainracer.com. You can visit their website and can check the plans. Plans are really very affordable. They use Lightspeed technology and provide you pure SSD disk space. Also provide you free SSL certificate and 360-degree malware protection. Also provide you 7 plus strong security features like Immunify 360 and Immunify AV plus. Okay, the customer support is awesome and available round the clock 24 into 7. Server locations are UK, India, USA, Germany, France, Singapore, Canada, and many more. Using the free website builder tool, you can build or design your website without having that much of knowledge of website building and website designing. So let's get back into the topic. So from this left palette, you can see option as post. I'm clicking on all post and it will display me all the available post here. So as of now, we don't have any post. So I'm going to add new. Okay. So by clicking on add new, it will give you an option to add post and add content in your post. The very first option which has been given is add title. So this is the title of my post. I'm clicking on publish and opening a website. So right now I'm working on a different theme. Okay, this is a add-on on our Nave theme. Okay, so this is the title that I just entered for my post. By clicking on this title, you will be redirected to the full post. Okay, as of now we did not enter any content in this post, so it is showing us empty. So this is the title. Now let's click on plus symbol and add more content here. Suppose you want to add paragraph or heading. So I'm clicking on heading and this is going to be the heading of my post. Then again click on update and you can refresh the page and can see. So introduction has been added. Now it's time to add the content here. Again clicking on plus and clicking on paragraph to enter paragraph. I'm picking few lines from WordPress website. Okay, sorry. So I have entered my lines here. I'm clicking on update and I'll refresh the post and you will see. So this is your post. Okay, so this is, so by default what WordPress does, it automatically redirects you to the blogging page. It is not home page, about us, or contact us page. This is blogging page. So this is how your post looks like. It doesn't contain the whole post and you can see the read more option to read the entire post. Either you can click on read more or you can click on the title to read the whole post. So this is your whole post. This is the title, this is introduction, and you can see the name of the admin, time of post, and the category of post. Okay, we will discuss about category in next video. So this is how it. You can also limited these words. Okay, you can set a limit. For example, if you just want to display 2 lines here, you can do that, and the option to do that is right here. So under post you will see this option. So simply enter lines you want to display on home page, sorry, the blogging page, and refresh it. You will see only the entered lines are being displayed here, and then by clicking on title you can read the whole post. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, so the same way we entered a paragraph here, the same way we can add images here. So click on plus and you'll find option to add image here. Click on upload and upload your image that you want to show on your post. Update and then refresh. You will see the images here. Okay, so you can move all the blocks by clicking on navigation keys. For example, I want to display this image right after title, so simply click on this image and you will see navigation keys here. So simply navigate to the keys and click and adjust your post. So same goes with you cannot move the title because it will always be in the top row, but you can move all the other content by these navigations key. Okay, then you can also since it is heading, so you will be given option to select the type of heading, whether you want to select h1 the biggest, h2, h3, h4. So it all depends upon your requirement. So clicking on update and refreshing the page, so this is the look and feel of your post. Okay, this is how you can add post on your website. And one more thing, suppose you just wrote your paragraph here, and if you want to enter different thing before the paragraph, you can click insert before. If you want to insert anything else after paragraph, you can click on insert after. You can duplicate it, you can copy it. So this is how it works. This is your blogging page, and what you see here is that image is not being displayed here. The reason behind it is we entered the image inside the post. Okay, but if you want to display image here too, then instead of using this image, you must use a featured image. So under post you can see option to set featured image. So simply click on featured image, select the image you want to set, and then publish it. As soon as you update it, you can refresh and you will see the image, the featured one is also being displayed here. You can enter into the post by clicking on image and by clicking on the title. Okay, so this is my post. So this is how you can enter insert post in your website. And if you want to add more things, you can click on plus and you can check everything. Like if you want to add list, want to add quotes, code, then you these are the media files you can enter, gallery, audio, cover, etc. And these are the designs. Okay, so okay, so you can also check the look and feel. Okay, refreshing it and you will see the tour and travel post is here. You can click on edit to edit it, you can click on trash to delete it, and it will be moved to trash, and then you can delete it permanently from trash also. So you can check the appearance of this post on different themes. For example, right now the selected theme is naval. I want to check this out on this 2019 theme, so I activated that theme and I'm clicking on website, I'm refreshing it, and you will see. So this is how 2019 displays your post. So this is 2019, and you can definitely visit the post by clicking on the title and by clicking on the image. So this is how it will display your post, and this is how it will display your featured image in the blurred form in background. Okay, and this is the description of your post. So let's get back into our Neve theme and let's add one more post here and see how it will be displayed. Okay, to add another post, the way is very simple. Click on add new, then give title, then heading, then paragraph, copying it, pasting it several times, then setting up featured image, publishing the whole post, refreshing the website. So you will see the post will be displayed like this. So in this post we did not enter these lines. Let me show you. We did not wrote anything here, so it is showing us the read more option and the uh, lines, a few lines of our post. So you can make changes. Obviously you can make changes into the posts. The first one is, you can see the time publishing the 1:15 and 1:06. So this was the latest one and this was the old one. So you can click on edit and you can simply delete these lines, update, refresh the page, and you will see both posts are similar and same, having same content. So let's delete these posts and let's wrap this video. So to delete, either you can click on trash on specific post or you can select bulk action. I'm selecting all the post and then selecting move to trash and then applying it. So once it's done, you will see the trash contains 2 posts. So these are the posts we recently deleted and you can delete them permanently. Either you can delete individual by click on delete permanently, or you can select bulk option. So this is how you can delete the posts and this is your website. So that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the video, and let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching and keep practicing.